Dr.sanumon Sreedharan, Deputy Medical Officer, Shantigiri Ayurveda and Siddha Hospital, Saket. We are going through hardships of corona pandemic. Emotional and mental health issues are growing concern in this period. Internalizing emotions and inflammatory thoughts can have serious consequences in future. Continuous stress can lead to fight and flight responses, which can weaken our immunity and make us more vulnerable. I would like to share some tips to manage stress related to corona pandemic. Before that, I am extending my sincere gratitude to all doctors, nurses and medical staffs in corona units working day and night to take care of us. They are putting their lives at risk. We should respect these efforts by responsible actions. We should stay home and stop corona spread. How to find whether we are getting affected by corona reaction or not? In such cases, what happens is that you will feel apprehensive to go to public places. You can feel disconnected from others. You may feel lost and shortcomings could be there. If these responses are coming in way of your normal routine regularly, then we have to address it. So the important question is how to control these corona reactions. I will share 6 tips to manage corona reactions. The first way is to focus on things you have control, like using masks, washing hand, practicing social distancing. Doing these things mindfully will make us comfortable and safe. Then the second way is to keep things in perspective. Because of corona reactions, there are so many what if questions. We don't have adequate information, so that we are not quite certain about the corona infection happening now. So that there are so many what if questions arising in our mind. When our mind is anxious, what happens is that we will fill these blanks with worst possible outcomes. So the second step is to keep things in perspective. Because of lack of certainty in this crisis, we have so many what if questions. When mind is anxious, we will fill these blanks with worst possible outcomes. So we should be critical about our emotions and thoughts. Regular reality checks will help with that. And when it comes to your emotions and thoughts, we should acknowledge them, share them and express them. You can learn to acknowledge your feelings practicing yoga. Through yoga practice, what happens is that you will be able to witness your emotions and thoughts without getting overwhelmed by them. So that is a way to pass through your emotions and such thoughts. If you have good understanding of your emotions, you can control them better. Fourth way is to share your feelings with your friends and relatives. While doing this, you have to make sure that your friends and relatives are emotionally stronger than you, so that they can help you to pass through this condition. And fifth way is to express and channel your emotions. We can do this by creative arts like sculpting, drawing, painting, dancing. These will help to shape your emotions and settle them. And sixth and last technique is to journal. If you are keeping notes of your thoughts, that will help to settle them faster. And normally what happens is that your thoughts are in abstract form. You can grow disproportionately big at times. And abstract thoughts consume more mind. They are bigger in size. So to shrink the size of your thoughts, what you have to do is that you have to convert them to language. While writing, it happens. Your thoughts will convert it to language, which is very easy to manage actually. Your mind can easily manage small precipitated thoughts. I would like to offer my words to lotus feet of our beloved Guru, Navajyoti Sri Karunagara Guru. Thanks for watching. I hope these tips will help you. Sadrishan.